Munkachi
anya jiri shela yerma konna wanya ba ma konna gini anya ba ma kanjel konna ne list bi se ka anya bla your mother I say your mother I say your mother look konna take the anya ba ma ke brother anya ba ma brother I say anya ba ma brother your
All right, Abusiafo nyame shall be me dindi no go artist. And aha, Ghana TV. Master say, we subscribe to the channel. No. Never wa do chire comment section, like and share my nyame shall be. Abusiafo, munim say NDC for Akwatia by election way. These people are not there for peace. Oman ko say, omu nkotu abakeke ombeko few. Omu ko no mu with mindset omba beku ntokwa. Because say enya say omu ko no say omba beku ntokwa. Anka say at the full ya you see NDC Asorka or which is bad. Bro, ChairmanBuga was being interviewed and I was see, oh, me bra Asorka krawaha on the cry where shock say wabaha and I was see on the cry ni bra wa friend ni bra or person or hagin a poo friendly or show say they are all one people because I don't already know they are speaking the same language. But this Asorka, no, or no one fan say or any young or person in a coon. Or start to say, oh, pushing, or yam, like, ChairmanBuga, they know, just say, I grown or moody. Not knowing, this man had or different agenda. And dream body when he tremble into your move. I was a former the share video number by better.
na Asorka timi ba Akwatia mi hunsa so Munkachi Asorka say Munkachi Asorka
jiri shela yerma konna wanya ba ma konna gini anya ba ma kanjel konna ne list bi se ka anya bla your mother I say your mother I say your mother
brother
look brother your anya ba ma
brother
anya ba ma
brother
I say anya ba ma
Munkachi
anya jiri shela yerma konna wanya ba ma konna gini anya ba ma kanjel konna ne list bi se ka anya bla your mother I say your mother I say your mother look konna take the anya ba ma ke brother anya ba ma I say anya ba ma brother your mother
Right, Abusiafo some here. This man ChairmanBuga was literally joking with this man. Or no one him say, mu kaka sabako enti enka or ye ni nua. But these people have different mentality. On say anka ChairmanBuga sudi different agenda ne ko honuma anka be donya mesa honum be basa. Actually said the NDC, their main purpose of going to that place is to cause harm, is to cause commotion. The peace that we enjoy in this country, in that is why they will, this your friend NDC Asorka will be attacking ChairmanBuga. A bra or interview. And you see his boys. I ready say Beku. So if ChairmanBuga so friend you to see and then what will happen there? And we have the police officers now. Yes, deploy over 7,000. Then they call go. By this time they should have arrested this man. By this time, this man should be arrested. This NDC Asorka should be arrested because there's video evidence of him attacking ChairmanBuga. There's video evidence of him attacking ChairmanBuga. It is a more peace and unity now. You people should arrest this man by this time. But no, because this is not the first threat I was starting yet. Or starting fee. Your friend said. Minority leaders see or no obey by election or the constituency, and the second one is attacking ChairmanBuga. What you say? Ebusia for my question videos no but I buy a better so.
Nana B, only a show mobile election.
But some of these actions is not troubling. Given
we are waiting for them. We are ready for them. We know the plan they are taking. So we are waiting for them. Let me tell you, I cannot say anything in public. But let me tell you, yes, I'm a communication officer in the party. Constituency communication officer in the party. We have people in the NPP, and let me tell you, we have people in the NPP. I mean, you can say NPP divided too. So we have their people, my information. Because I must say, I'm a career for my MP. I'm a company with the bar, almost all you can. I told me to be for them back. Okay. I told me the Oman Solomon. I say on the bed by Omia. I know what it. So MPP divided into two. So we are telling you people, BDS, say, I had here, Nippon me and some penny here. Nana B, another play, and a fellow Michael. But me don't you say, I mean, a fellow Michael. Nako a cemetery. Sana Asorka Kayano, Nakabeko by election.
All right. Yepasunye. Asunye so ye penon konforo di agendi ebetu ye so. Eye MPP for no. Enti mesre in party tenure security. Ye besre muntaka won ka central police for no. Because the MPP for no ye no. Omo pese confusion esi ha. Na police station so move so ma wi abani mo. E dey kwa go bala box no. Na party internal security for na ni security for na begu a. Enti me ka kire obi a wo ye party internal security dem on free police station. So free on some ba ha. Omo di bibi be si achi. Ye be kwa ko he no na ya da. Na problem asi enti be sire obi a se. Obi a wonim so wo kote bi o ye party internal security bia no. Jina ba bia wujina. Emba party office anya police station. Yanto ba ha. Enti obi a ka hono bi ka ya ko so take police for no mu yo maduma. The call for someone to a barrier. Someone to a barrier to right to tea. And at this, I'm saying, yet he sent from which weapons spinning from your bomb abaso, your IGP abaso, your position is my power. But
so far, you don't send a police actually.
Yeah, to be something 9 on which you're Yendo. I say, I can't the Nippon to come over in the court. And so 1% penny for the national executive, party executive, regional executive, for now could be home. Yes, so you have your boy and Tem, Obianco, or Dam Croner on Kumnipa, or Dam Croner, you know, say, you need not ever doing in this arena. None this arena.
Okay, and you know, that's why.
Police station. Dear question, I said, Kodia, Nakuba, that's about Tuanica. Can't the Boom, Sakodia, only people say, can't the Boom. You question Jimmy. Now, once you I don't know who I before. Now, go back to Amunaka. I do my money, I go back to Amunaka for police.